Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in today's daily guitar tip, we're going to talk about harmonics. So why harmonics? Everybody knows about harmonics. Well, I was thinking about what are some different things that people may not know that you can do. Doing some of these fun tapping harmonics and stuff is a lot of fun. And I don't know if all guitar players know that if you tap a note 12 frets higher, you can get a harmonic. So if I play this note here, if I go 12 frets higher, I can tap it and I'll get an octave higher. That's kind of a lot of fun, so you can experiment and do something like that. I like to just kind of noodle around and just kind of randomly. It's kind of fun. It's noisy. I have the gain up really high, so you can hear these a lot better. So sorry if it's a bit too noisy in your ears. The next type of harmonics that we can talk about are pinch harmonics. That sound like... I'm not going to go into the details of exactly how to play and physically do a pinch harmonic. If that's something that you're interested in me doing, I can do a daily tip on how to do a pinch harmonic. That I should probably actually write that down. That sounds like a good thing to do. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see that. And also like this video if you're enjoying this. The last harmonic technique we can talk about is, to me, this is just kind of fun, is just play a note. Eddie Van Halen did this a lot. He was kind of a master of it. Just play a note and then just tap different areas, different frets, and see what it sounds like on the same string, obviously. For this specific note here, this D here on the third string, 7th fret, I notice that I can tap on 10, 12, and 14, and they all work. And then I can go back up to the, this would be the 19th up here, where the octave is. So you can really pick any note. And just tap every single fret. And then maybe, if you're writing something and you want to do kind of a cool little harmonic thing, then you would have to probably sit down and actually figure out which couple frets that are going to work and sound the best. If you watch live videos of Eddie Van Halen, he does this all the time, and it just sounds awesome. He obviously figured out he could do that and mastered it. But for the average guitar player, just pick a note and start smacking that. You have to smack it pretty hard. You have to smack it and get your finger off of it quickly so it rings. It's a whole lot of fun. So this was just a quick little tip on messing around with harmonics. If you enjoyed this daily guitar tip and you'd like to see more, please leave a comment, maybe like the video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of these tips. I do a lot of guitar riffs where I add the tabs and stuff like that. I've had a decent amount of success with on Instagram and TikTok with those, and I also put them here on YouTube. So if you want to get a lot of guitar riffs and some guitar tips, and I'll be doing other videos as well, then please subscribe, and I will see you in the next lesson.